Using automated insights, you can easily run advanced analysis on your data to generate visualizations and narratives, and you don't have to be a data scientist to do it. You can access automated insights from the homepage in two ways. Click Get Data and upload a data file for visualization, or click Visualize Data and select an existing data file. For more information about uploading, see Uploading Data Files. Let's visualize existing data. Click Visualize Data. Select a data source from the dialog box. Your data opens in the Designer Visualization tab. From the sidebar, click Insights to analyze your data. If your dataset contains multiple tables, you can select which table you want to analyze. While your data is being analyzed, you can continue working in Designer. An alert tells you when your visualizations are ready. Visualizations are generated as charts. Depending on your dataset, charts are grouped as correlations, outliers, and time-based. You can expand or collapse a section to view or hide your charts, which can be scatter plots, pie charts, bar charts, or line charts. Copy the charts you want to add to a new or existing page. To edit your chart, click Fields from the sidebar. Modify your chart in the Display panel. Now save your insights so you can share them with others.
To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.